Hey everyone, welcome back to SebRauf. So in this video, I will be sharing one single tool that will be boosting up your gaming performance on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now you don't have to go with the manual configuration, manual optimization. You don't have to download any kind of optimization pack. So let's quickly get started. Now click on your Windows search, type store, then click on Microsoft Store from the suggestion. Now this is another good part that you don't have to download this from any third-party website, and it's available on Microsoft Store, so it's all safe and secure application. So once the store comes up, click on the store search box, type WinToys, and once it comes up, you can see 4.7 star rating has been given to this application. That's excellent. Now once you come up here, you have to click on install or get, whichever option you get, and the downloading will be now started. And it won't take much time. It's around 60 MB file. So kindly wait until it's all been downloaded. And once it's been done, click on open, click on yes. And this kind of page will be now coming up. Alright, so once you come on the home page, it will give you all the basic information about your system, graphic card, what kind of operating system you're using, about the performance, the RAM, processor, all the basic information you can see from here only. Okay, so now let's move with the optimization. From the left hand menu option, you will find the first option of apps. You can click on it, and this will list you all kind of application, including the third party and even the pre-installed application that comes with Windows. Everything will be listed over here, and you can uninstall any of the application from here that you are not using. Okay, so it's very important to uninstall all those applications that you don't use, because they run in the background, they occupy a lot of resources, and that basically slow down the performance and even the gaming experience. So let's say I'm not using the Cortana, I don't use it, so I will click on the three dot on the right side of it and choose uninstall, and it will be quickly uninstalled. Similarly, look for the application whichever you don't use, like you don't use Mail and Calendar or Microsoft Clipchamp, then make a right click on it and choose uninstall. So spend some time, find out the application and uninstall them. Then we have the next tab of services, and it will list you all kind of services running on your computer, and it even tell you the status, that is it automatic or manual, and even you can manage from here. You can click on the three dot, you can stop it, you can start it, and even you can choose the startup type, and you can change it to automatic or manual from this application only. Alright, now let's move with the next one, that is boost option. Now here on the top you find the ultimate performance power plan. Now this power plan is mostly recommended to the people who do the gaming on the computer or do some kind of heavy task like video editing. So you need to select this option to enable it, and then below you will find hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. You also need to enable this option. VBS. Now if you are more concerned about the security so that you can stop any kind of vulnerabilities and malicious attack, then you can enable this option, but keep in mind that it occupies a lot of resources of your CPU and the memory. So I would recommend you that if you want to enjoy the gaming and get the maximum FPS, then you will have to disable it. Now you can also manage the startup application. So click on the drop down, and it will list you all kind of applications. So here you have to disable all kind of third-party application from the startup that you don't want that it should come along with the computer. Okay, so look for it, and anything like Steam, Discord, Skype, that you don't want that it should come along with the computer, you can disable it from here. Then you have the restartable app, disable it. Background apps, you have to disable it. Activity history, you have to disable it. Visual settings, now if you don't care about the effect and the graphics that comes basically while switching different kind of tab or different pages, then I would recommend you that kindly go ahead and disable these two options. Then we have the gaming settings. Click on the drop down, enable the game mode, disable the background recording, and disable the super fetch option. These two options should be disabled. Search indexing. Now this feature depends on you if you want to enjoy the best Windows search then you can enable this option. But yes, it also occupy a lot of resources. So if you want to save the resources and utilize that in the gaming, then you can disable this option. Delivery optimization, you can disable it. And once you are done, from the left hand menu option, click on health. Then you have the fast startup. I would recommend you to disable this option. You can manage hibernation, drive optimization. So make sure this drive optimization and storage sense option has been enabled. Now next you have the repair option. So if you have any kind of problem related to crash, freezing, blue screen, update fail, then click on the drop down of this repair and check this option of DISM, SFC, CHK disk. Then first click on scan, and after that you can click on repair. Alright, now next we have the cleanup option, and if you click on it, you find different kind of destination, like you can clear the Microsoft Store cache, the File Explorer cache, and even you can manage the system restore. Next you have the update option, the graphic driver option, so you can restart the driver if your display has weird issues like freezing or flickering. So many people have reported that they have some kind of freezing and the flickering problem while gaming. Then you can click on restart, and this can give you an instant fix. Icons cache, you can click on rebuild to rebuild it to fix many kind of blurry and the corrupted files. Then next we have the tweak option, and if you click on it, you find many kind of tweak option like system, and if you click on it, you find many option here that you can enable and disable it. Similarly, you can click on ads and you can disable all these options like finish setting up your device, Windows welcome experience, Windows tips and suggestions. You can disable all these options. Tailored experience, disable everything. And after this, restart your computer and you will find a great change. So in this way, you don't have to manually go to every setting to make the changes. And the best part is, in future, if you change your mind, then you can bring up this application and revert the action. Because manually making the changes, you don't remember where exactly you made the changes. Okay, so that's all guys for today. Hopefully you will enjoy this tool now. It's absolutely free. So go ahead, download it and enjoy it. And do not forget to like and subscribe. And I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.